Product 101 is brought to you by Beamer. Check it out at getbeamer.com. Today's episode, what is product marketing? Product marketing is not just marketing. Its scope is far more inclusive and integrated. It sits at the unique intersection between marketing, sales, and product development. All three are more connected in SaaS than any other industry. Product development and product marketing have become roles that are continuously blending. A product marketer, markets your SaaS product and in a way that's focused on the user and their problems, introducing and teaching the product and making sure it sticks so they become regular, satisfied users who are going to get the full value of your product. Here are some SaaS product marketing goals and the best ways to achieve them successfully. Number 1, understand customer problems and create brand awareness. Initially, product marketers are responsible for understanding customers' biggest problems and questions, and positioning the product correctly to be the solution. To position the product correctly, product marketers need to narrow down the target markets and identify key personas. Personas are a complete profile of what the ideal customer looks like, including their demographics, purchasing process, biggest pain points, what they're researching, and where they're looking for that information. Product marketers then use this to create the messaging, copy, and content that attracts, engages, and converts the right leads. Basically, what you need to know is who's your target audience and where you'll find it. Number 2, communicate the value of the product. Product marketers aim to explain the product and its value correctly for the right lead. Writing content that speaks to key personas and their biggest pain points is a large part of converting users for SaaS companies. With this should be actionable CTAs and funnels that push leads towards sign up with as little friction as possible. Number 3, educate and onboard users. Once leads are converted, unlike in other forms of marketing, product marketing work is not done just yet. This is where the real revenue-securing work begins. SaaS's bread and butter is monthly, reoccurring revenue from existing customers. To keep those customers engaged, product marketers have to plan how to educate and onboard users well so they don't leave feeling like the product isn't a fit for them. Having a solid onboarding process is vital in helping users learn how to get the most out of the product. Teach them how to use your tools. Some educational onboarding elements that tend to be successful are actionable product tours, showing users how to even begin using the product, continuous feature discovery elements, user guides and case studies, and consistent informative blog posts on best practices. The success of users with the product guarantees their long-term commitment. If you teach them how to use it, they'll come and they'll stay. Number 4, keep users engaged. One of the key goals of product marketing is keeping users engaged in the long run. Without an evolving product that is continuously solving pain points, users will eventually, or quickly, find an alternative. It's important that you communicate product changes successfully. Most companies send update emails or announce new features and updates on social media, but this just really isn't that effective.
It's fun to write a letter and look forward to a reply.
Update emails get low open rates, and posts on social media, those are out of context. So, what do? Well, product marketing is a continual, evolving cycle, as you really don't want there to be an end to the paying user's contract. So, the best solution is to figure out what are the current paths your users are following to discover your product and create the optimal loops to make them stay. You don't need to ditch your emails and your social media accounts. Those can still work, sometimes. But don't rely on them to the point that your only strategy is just spam. Think of a broader set of tools that you can use to improve the user's discovery process and rekindle their love for your app at every step. From onboarding to feature tours, from blogs to good customer support and feedback, to proper, targeted, and timely updates and notifications. That's the way to go forward. If you are into product marketing and want to improve user engagement, well then maybe Beamer is the tool for you. Beamer is a changelog that opens up within your app or website where your team can share updates for anything. Users just have to click a What's New tab on your site, or an icon within your interface that opens up the newsfeed in a sidebar that looks and feels native. You can add photos, videos, and GIFs to your updates to make them feel visual and engaging. Think of this: announcements that are much more in context, push notifications to bring users back, and segmentation to target a user's demographic, language, and past behavior. All of this and feedback collecting tools to learn what strategies work best and what needs to be improved. So, if you want to try it out, go to getbeamer.com and create an account today. You can also take a look at the blog, where you'll find lots of articles about product marketing and the SaaS industry in general. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. It really helps. This has been Product 101. We'll meet again soon. Ciao!